The Malayalam YouTube channel, Astro for You Malayalam, discusses an extraordinary celestial body called the Moolam Nakshatra. Let us delve into the details of this intriguing Moolam Nakshatra. To begin with, people born under the influence of the Moolam Nakshatra are often agents of change. These individuals, be they men or women, are characterized by their unique ability to adapt and transform. They are curious by nature, delving deeply into subjects and relentlessly seeking the truth. Like a detective in a mystery novel, they constantly explore new avenues of knowledge, uncovering hidden truths and questioning the world around them. However, despite their knack for making predictions, they often struggle to fully comprehend the realities of situations they discuss with others. This doesn't make them unreliable, though. Those who recognize their intellectual depth are drawn to them, appreciating their ability to grasp the essence of people and situations. Their curiosity and intelligence stand out, making them extraordinary in their pursuits. The creators of the Astro for Your channel seem to possess a profound understanding of these individuals, reflecting on not just celestial phenomena but also the personality traits of those influenced by them. By revisiting the channel's older videos, one can discern this insightful approach. One of the key traits of these individuals is their unwavering willpower, which drives them to achieve their goals. Their triumphs are not merely the result of their skills but also their sheer determination. Even if one doesn't personally possess such resolve, it's easy to recognize and admire in these people. People born under the influence of the Moolam Nakshatra are set apart by their strength and sense of purpose. They are energetic and persistent in their pursuit of goals, surprising others with their relentless dedication. Like a cat chasing a laser pointer, they remain focused and adaptable, shifting course when needed but never losing sight of their ambitions. Another remarkable feature is their spiritual inclination, particularly for those born under the Moolam Nakshatra star. These individuals embark on a profound inner journey, often seeking spiritual enlightenment. While everyone has their own beliefs about God, those connected to the Moolam Nakshatra tend to have an especially deep faith and an intense curiosity about the unknown. Their spiritual pursuits are a significant part of their lives. Emotionally, they experience life as a roller coaster, with intense feelings and a passion for their desires. Once they set their minds to something, they pursue it with unyielding enthusiasm, even in the face of adversity. Their lives are shaped by an all-encompassing drive to achieve their goals, regardless of their gender. A defining principle of these individuals is their resilience. No matter how many times they fall, they rise again like a phoenix. This remarkable ability to bounce back from setbacks makes them virtually unstoppable. In relationships, they seek depth and trust. They form strong emotional bonds and value loyalty and sincerity. Their deep emotional connections with others are often reciprocated, but they are not easily deceived or misled by those who claim to care for them. When it comes to careers, they excel in fields that require research and innovation, particularly in science. Their innate strength and determination propel them towards success in whatever path they choose to pursue.